Hey everyone, it's Mr. Vargas, your librarian, and I'm here to show you and talk to you about Sora. Sora is our online application platform in which we can access ebooks and audiobooks. So this is you want to go to your Classlink. My Classlink looks a little different than yours. You're going to look for the little robot in the sky. You're going to click on Sora and you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. Now, mine already says my school's in Georgetown ISD, but some of yours might say find my school. If you click on the green button where it says find my school, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And it's going to say, you're going to look for Georgetown ISD. You're going to click this is my school, sign in using Georgetown ISD. Now, as soon as you sign in, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this called Explore. Here, you're going to see all the books that we have available. Now, if a book has little headphones, that means it's an audiobook, which means it's read to you. And if you don't see those headphones and you see a book like this, that means that it is an ebook. So let's go ahead and click on this ebook to just look at it. So here's Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Here it tells you what the book is about. If I look to the left, I have more information, the series. So these are all the books in the Harry Potter series, the author. The ATOS or the ATOS level tells me the reading level that it's at. So 5.5 means it's at a fifth grade reading level. The text difficulty means how hard is this book? So this is from a fourth to a fifth grade reading level. If I go down a little bit more, you can also have the option, it is also available as an audiobook, which is awesome. Now let's say I would really want to read this book, so I'm going to borrow this book. And now it is in my shelf. So here I have the book, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, and I'm starting with The Boy Who Lived. Now let's say this is too big for me and I like when I can see two pages at once. You're going to click this button and this gives you two pages. Now if you're like, this is too many words, I can't read this, you can go back to one. Here you have some more options. You can look at the chapters so you can see what different chapters there are. You can create a bookmark. You can change the reading setting so you can make the words smaller or larger. You can change bright. You can change if it hurts your eyes. And here is where you're able to read in the dark. You can change how the type of the words and how they are. Here's open dyslexic. So this helps students that are dyslexic, which is awesome. Here you can click custom and you can also change the font. So how the letters are written. You can make the words really close to each other, a little bit further apart, and really far apart. You can make them normal, or you can make them in bold, which means they're a lot bigger. So let's say I have to close Sora. I have to close my app, so I close it. I reopen Sora. And here at the bottom, the book is automatically there for you, and it's going to pick up where you left off. Let's say I finish Harry Potter, so I'm going to go to right here where it says shelf. I'm going to click on the book and you have a couple options. So you get 14 days to check out one ebook or an audiobook. Now, since I just checked it out, I still have 13 days. So let's say it's due tomorrow. I can renew it. Now, let's say I want to return it. So I'm going to return the book because I finished reading Harry Potter and I'm done and I can go and explore. Now, let's say I want to do an audiobook. So here is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Now, I know it's an audiobook because it has the headphones. Here it tells me it's at a 6.7 reading level, right, the ATOS, and that it is about a sixth grade reading difficulty. So let's say I want to borrow this audiobook. So I'm going to borrow the audiobook and I click play. It's going to take me to Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Now up here where it looks like a little car, you have different speeds that it can be read to. So it can be read at a 1.0, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and 2.0. So you get to decide how fast it's being read to you. Here is a sleep timer. So if you click this, it'll play for 30 minutes and then it'll automatically turn off. And just like the ebooks here with those three lines, you have different options. You can look at the chapters, you can create bookmarks, and here it gives you tips and secrets on how to navigate and how to go through this. Let's say I'm finished with this, so I'm going to go to my shelf. I'm going to click on the book. I can renew it just like I did with the ebook, or I can return it right here. If you have any questions on how to explore Sora, contact your English teachers or visit our library page at the Wagner website for my contact information, and I'll help you all. Thanks so much. Happy reading.